Hello guys. So today we will discuss on an important aspect for the cash flow statement, the operational, the financial and the investment cash flow. So because a CFO can be asked anytime, what is the difference between these three? Operational cash flow kya hota hai? Right. So that is not an answer which is given straight. So basically we will look to understand how we can get it through turbo data. So then we go straight here. You must be seeing my screen here. And we come down to this edit into the single this thing and edit करने के बाद once you come down to the edit you can, as you can see here, and go to the cash flow statement, right? And in the cash flow statement जो है, if you click here cash flow statement, then go to your party ledger name. मतलब operational cash flow का basically मतलब what it basically means is what is my cash generated from operations, right? Financing cash flow means what is my cash generated from my loans, what am I finance? And investment is what is the share capital being invested. So come down here and go down to party ledger name here. Party ledger name, I go down here and at party ledger level जो है जो कि आपका 3. So go down to level 3, right? Because I've separated the sundry debtors and sundry creditors. Pick up the sundry creditors and sundry debtors. This will give you your complete operational cash flow details over periods of time, because ये बहुत critical होता है भाई. Okay, fine. How am I doing operationally over periods and time? ठीक है ना? So this is the most important and critical this thing है. अगर वो पूछता है supervisor asks you कि okay, fine, that all this is fine. What is my financial this thing is there? Simply pick this up, the bank accounts, remove the sundry debtors, और ये आपका financing आ गया. Share capital is going to be, this is going to be in the bank account. So now when I go down to the bank account, this thing, and if in level 2, you get something called the share capital, जो कि मेरा यहाँ पे है कि मैंने इसको share में कितना invest किया. So I go here and instead of current assets, if I pick up my share capital, right, then that will be my investment. With this, you should be able to answer how the cash flow statement over period in time is been moving. और उसके अलग अलग दिन द ratios are there. Thank you very much for your time.